Hi, I'm going to show you how to install Internet Information Service in Windows 10. So I'm going to go to Run Box and after that type appwiz.cpl and you will be get the option Program and Features, and this is a turn off Windows feature on or off service for Microsoft. This service it's a hide and it's not install default some services in this Windows features. So I'm going to turn on Internet Information Service. You can see this off. Do you see that Internet Information Service? So just I'm going to click on that one, and after that it's right now it's not installed, so it's unchecked, and I'm going to install this one. So you can see searching for a requirement and you can see apply and changing. So it's configure out Internet Information Service. So let's see, it's take some time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So right now you can see Windows com completed request change. Window need to reboot your PC to finish installing the request changes. So right now it's installed, and after restart, so now you can see it's here is a install Internet Information Service. So I'm going to open for you and it's make sure it's working or not. You can see it's working. This is my PC name. You can see Internet Information Service IIS Service Manager, and I'm going to show you which version this one. So you can see this is Windows 10 and Microsoft version 7009 was built. This one 2017. This operating system Windows 10 home operating system and user interface. So now if you want to go to create FTP or any kinds of website, so you can use.